Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have this wonderful box that I got. It's from Stampin' Up. It says Backstage at Home, and what that is when you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you have reached a title of Silver Elite or higher, you get invited to participate in what's called Backstage at Home. So it's a learning convention, if you will, and they were going to do it in person a couple years ago, but you know what happened there, and so we did it virtually. It worked out great, and then this year was kind of iffy. We were going to go and meet up in Nevada, I believe, in the Las Vegas area, and what ended up happening is, you know, nothing really cleared up. It was kind of iffy, so we're doing it online again. So I cannot wait. We still get to mix and mingle with other people that are demonstrators in titles Silver Elite and above, but we've got this great box. And so for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'm going to be in and out of these virtual meetings, and I wanted to wait until Thursday so everybody would get their box. And I can now show you. So first things first is we got this great little laminated, almost just a little sign that we could put in our background area, and I just think that is so cool because they try and make it like as convention-y as possible. So they also, this is the first time I'm opening this stuff, so we get a look at this. This is a Backstage notebook, and how fun is this? I love getting little gifts, especially when they're logoed with my passion, right? So this says Backstage at Home, the other side says Stampin' Up, and it is lined paper and just a great little notebook to take notes with. I wonder if there's a pen in there, right? So let's see what else we've got. Oh, we always, if you could see right here and right there, those are different pins that we get. And so every time we go to a convention, we get a pin. So here is the Backstage at Home pin for this year. That will be going right up there with all my other pins. And then this is a sticker kit. So that'll be great because, you know, with my planner stuff, right? There we go. I'm gonna open these up and see what they are. So I've got my little team of people, and some of them are qualified to go and some of them did take advantage and will be going, and so hopefully I will see them online. But oh my gosh, go confidently in the direction of your dreams is one of them. Oh, where'd I go? It's showing you my whole entire area here. I've got this 360 view camera going. First time I've tried it, so it's got a mind of its own on where it wants to go. But there you go, you could see. There we go. And then we've got some cute little stickers here. Aren't those adorable? And then this one says, be strong, be happy, be you. It's Backstage at Home. And we've got more little stickers there. And then they've got them on all different languages because this is a worldwide virtual event. What is this? I love the box. Stampin' Up. Guess what it is? Did you guess? Put your guess in the comments below. It is a pen. That's a big box for a pen, but that's because they're giving us this great little jewel there. And then of course it's got those same colors. It says Stampin' Up, and then it's got the pen. And of course, oh, there you go, it's a twisty. So there we go. Gonna take plenty of notes. I'm saving one of my favorite things here. Oh my goodness. I can see what my favorite thing is, but I did not see what was underneath there. So if you can see, like, well, now let me move over here a little bit. You see all these different bags and stuff? Every year at convention we get a new bag. And so this is our new bag. And it is logoed. It says Stampin' Up. And this isn't a purse, it's just a bag. So usually we get like one, and we use all the time is the backpack they gave us. Oh, I don't even know, at least 5 years ago. So this is a great little bag, perfect for traveling. You put all your little Stampin' Up stuff in there. It's got these great little poofs. I don't have a hanger, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to put that on my wall of tricks. Okay, this is what I just saw as I was saving my favorite for last. I don't know, maybe this is my new favorite, but it is, oh, look at it. Isn't that cute? And you know, it's in my favorite, Tiffany blue. It's got a place to put the pen. You put a little, oh, it's engraved with the little Stampin' Up logo. So, yeah, I wanted to wait until today to make sure everybody got theirs, and I didn't want to ruin any surprises. But here's my favorite, and this is why I knew it was my favorite, because I saw the little guy there. You know what this is? It is a Hydro Flask. Yep, it is. This is my first real branded Hydro Flask. And it's got the Stampin' Up logo. It's got the little Hydro Flask guy. This little logo, just so you know, makes you one of the cool kids. So if you are, I am now a cool kid with a cool little bottle. And they make sure to take care of us. I always have to smell the inside to see. But it's got this great bottle. It's insulated. But they always make sure we stay hydrated at these events. There's always water to be found. So this is a great little gift there. So this is fun. That was everything we got to prep us and have around us for our convention. So if you'd like to join me on a future convention, if you're on my team, get to Silver, Elite, or above. If you're not on my team and want to join, I'd love to have you as part of the Stamping Beauties family. And right now is actually the perfect time to join because it's only $99, which is normal. You get the $125 worth of free product. It's not free, it was $99, but you get free shipping and you get to choose $125 worth of product that you choose, and it's only $99. But right now, during August and September of 2021, you also get to choose one of the selected bundles, which has a value anywhere from, I think it's maybe about $40 or so, up to $60 or so. So that's another amount of toys that you get to play with. So I would love to have you join my family. If you are interested, let me know. I'll put a link down below. You could click on that link for more information, and just let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them for you. And of course, thank you for joining and staying with me for so long. I'm happy to be back in the studio and gonna be crafting and learning and having a great time this weekend. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.